YouTube launched in February of 2005, and since then it has revolutionized the way we share and consume media. It can also be an incredible platform for any teacher or educator looking for a recession-proof way to build an online career. Do you have an aptitude for teaching a particular skill and want to explore how to build a successful career around that? Of course! As a teacher or a professional in another field, there are clear career paths that you can follow to achieve those goals. But for millions of people around the world, this pandemic has stirred up a great many fears about those traditional career paths. Being furloughed, or even worse, losing their job security entirely, has forced millions of people to rethink their career goals. Teachers have been hit especially hard with the combination of the pandemic, mass shootings, and political concerns creeping into the classroom. On the flip side, many of those who have been lucky enough to keep their jobs have been working from home, and now they are dreading the return to a stressful commute and the 9-to-5 drudge. This has led many people to look at content creation as a new career or a side hustle that can change their financial lives. YouTube presents two potential opportunities for teachers to make a change or just make additional income. First, it can serve as a platform for sharing your knowledge and skills as an educator. Second, if the idea is just to make passive income, there are just as many, if not more, opportunities out there. In 2001, the highest paid YouTube channel belonged to Mr. Beast, who raked in a record of $54 million for the year. Mr. Beast has 97 million subscribers at the time of this recording. That sort of following does not happen overnight. Making money with YouTube takes some time and effort, but those efforts can pay off with big money. The Crash Course channel creates educational videos and has 13.7 million subscribers, again, at the time of this recording. So there's definitely an audience for educational content if you simply want to use YouTube as a platform for teaching to a bigger audience. Both Crash Course and Mr. Beast can spend days or even months producing a specific video though. Plus, in the case of Mr. Beast, he is the face of his channel. What if you don't possess the editing skills needed to make a highly polished professional video? Or you're nervous about appearing on camera? One of the biggest trends when talking about passive income right now is the YouTube automation method. There are many steps involved in creating a video. The first step in creating a video is to always come up with an idea for the video or your topic. The research is an extremely time-consuming process, maybe at least for starters. This can be a huge hurdle for people like teachers who have a limited amount of time. The next step is to write a script for your video. For an 8-minute long video, which is a recommended length of video right now, you will need a script with at least about 1,000 words. In the next step, you need to hire someone to read the voiceover for your video. That's if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself. Once you have that done, editing is the next step in the process. When your video is complete, you have to come up with a thumbnail design and then ultimately market the video. As the name would suggest, YouTube automation is a method that helps creators automate the process of creating videos. The main idea of YouTube automation is to get all of the processes involved in making a video done by someone else, and then all you really need to do is upload the videos and make money. I mean, you can also get someone else to upload them too. Bloggers have been using this method to create content for years. Of course, you need to have a channel before you can automate it. The first step is to pick a topic that is underserved on YouTube. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. So when uploading your first videos, do not get discouraged about the low views. As the YouTube algorithm picks up one of your videos, the other ones from time to time tend to get a little bit of life in their numbers as well. Remember, YouTube is a long-term game. Once your channel is out there, you want to automate the process. There are a number of ways to do this. First, would be simply to outsource the process using freelancers through sites like Fiverr or Upwork. However, there are other options. So if you have a script, but you don't want to be the voice of your channel or pay for a freelancer, text-to-speech is a program that can turn words into audio. This is a helpful way for people who don't have an excellent sounding voice or own any high-end microphone equipment to clearly record their voice. Speech-a-Lo is one option, which is available at a low price. All you have to do is paste your script, choose a language and a voice, and generate. You can even customize the sound of the voiceover. Once you have your voiceover in place, you'll need a backdrop for your video. There are options for stock footage services like ArtGrid, Pexels, VideoHive, and Shutterstock. The secret is to find footage that does not require royalties. Whether you are a teacher looking for a way to share your knowledge and skills online, or you're just trying to create an additional revenue stream for yourself, a YouTube channel can be a complete game changer. YouTube is an incredible platform for any teacher or educator looking for a recession-proof way to build an online career and possess a creating passive income video stream that can be easily automated. Let me know in the comment if this is a great idea for you to use as a passive income generator. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and give this channel a follow. Have a great day.